Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am introducing the Parkside Performance Angle Grinder, a powerful and versatile tool perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Inside the box we have the grinder itself, a grinding disc, an adjustable guard, a side handle and a user manual. The Parkside Performance Angle Grinder is equipped with a high-performance motor, providing exceptional power for various tasks. One of its standout features is the variable speed control, allowing you to adjust the speed to match the specific requirements of your project. Safety is a priority with this tool. It includes a two-step safety switch to prevent accidental starts and adjustable guard to protect you from debris and sparks. The ergonomic handle and additional side handle ensure comfort and control even during extended use. Here's the grinder cutting through a metal pipe with ease. Note how smoothly it operates thanks to its powerful motor and precise control. You can also use it for grinding, polishing and even sharpening tools. Always wear appropriate safety gear, keep a firm grip on the tool and maintain a safe distance from the spinning disc. The Parkside Performance Angle Grinder is a reliable and versatile tool, perfect for a wide range of application. Its powerful motor, variable speed control and ergonomic design make it a great addition to any toolkit. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more tool reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.